So hello students, welcome to all of you in this video lectures. Here I'm going to continue chapter differential equation and so first of all, what is the definition of a differential equation? A differential equation is an equation involving derivatives of the dependent variables with respect to the independent variables. So students, it is nothing but an equation where differential operators are present. For example, ddx of y equal to xy square. Here operator is ddx, so it's a differential equation. Next one is d2y by dx2 plus 3dy by dx equal to 5x. It is also a differential equation. Now students, I will discuss about the order and degree of differential equation. Degree of differential equation is defined as the order of highest derivative. Order of differential equation is nothing but the order of the highest derivative, and degree is nothing but the power of the highest derivative. You can see that few examples are taken. Number 1, d2y by dx plus 5 dy by dx whole square equal to 7. Here the highest order derivative is 2. Second order derivative is highest here. So its order is 2 and its power means its power will be 1. So degree is 1. Second one, the highest order derivative is 3 here. See here it is dt3 by dx3. So its order is 3 and its power is 1. So degree is 1. Third one, highest power derivative is second order d2y dx2. So its order is 2 and its power is 2. So degree also 2. So students, I hope all of you understood how to identify the order and degree of a differential equation. Next, there are few questions based on that. Determine order and degree of this differential equation. First question is d4y by dx4 plus sine y 3 y triple dash means triple order equal to 0. So students, in this equation, highest order derivative is 4. So d4y highest order is, so its order is 4. And since it is not a polynomial equation, because this sine equation is not a polynomial equation, so we cannot identify the degree. So degree cannot be identified in this type of differential equation. Next one is d2y by dx2 whole square plus cos dy by dx equal to 0. Here the highest order derivative is 2, so its order is 2, and since it is not a polynomial equation, so degree cannot be identified here also. Next one, ds by dt to the power 4 plus 3s d2s by dt2 equal to 0. Here the highest order derivative is 2, because see, you can see that d2s dt2, it is with respect to t, so highest order is 2, so its order of this differential equation is 2, and its power, the power of this differential is 1, so degree is 1 in this equation. Next one is you can see that y triple dash 2, so it is a third order derivative, second order derivative, first order derivative. So highest order is 3, so order of this differential equation is 3, and power of highest order is 2, so its order is 2. Degree is also 2, so order is 3 because it is third order differential, and power of the highest order is 2, so degree is also 2 in this equation. Next question is y double dash plus 2y dash plus sine y. Here degree is 2 highest order of derivative is 2, so order is 2, and its power is 1, so degree is 1. So students, I hope all of you understood this type of questions where you have to identify the order and degree of the given differential equation. Now I will discuss about some general solution of differential equation where in the given function solution of a differential equation is given, and you have to identify this particular solution is a solution of the given differential equation or not. The students, let us start with the first question is y equal to e to the power x plus 1. We have to check whether this is a solution of this differential equation y double dash minus y dash equal to 0 or not. So first of all, given differential equation is y equal to e to the power x plus 1, differentiate with respect to x, we will get y dash equal to e to the power x plus 0, so e to the power x, so y dash equal to e to the power x. Now differentiate again with respect to x, we get so student, this one y dash e to the power x we have got. When we differentiate again, y double dash e to the power x. So students, it is equation number 2. When you subtract 1 from 2, this is 1. So 1 from 2, y double dash minus y dash e to the power x minus e to the power x is 0. So y double dash minus y dash equal to 0. And this is the given differential equation. So answer is yes. The given solution is a solution of this differential equation. The next, the similar type of question, students, this is the solution given of this differential equation. We have to check whether it is yes or no. So given solution is y equal to root over 1 plus x square. When you differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx, which is nothing but y dash equal to 1 by 2 root over 1 plus x square into derivative of 1 plus x square. So it is equal to 1 by 2 root over 1 plus x square into 2x. So 2 cancel. So y dash equal to x by root over 1 plus x square. So y dash equal to, so students, we can rationalize denominator here. You can see that multiplying both numerator and denominator by root over 1 plus x square. So x root over 1 plus x square divided by root over 1 plus x square into root over 1 plus x square. So this becomes 1 plus x square. So this is nothing but y. Root over 1 plus x square is in the given, it is y. So you can put xy by 1 plus x square. And this is nothing but given in the question, that is y double dash equal to xy by 1 plus x square. So we have got it y dash equal to, it is not y double dash, y dash equal to xy by 1 plus x square, and it is the differential equation, and its solution is the given function is the solution of this differential equation. So students, I hope all of you understood this question. Next questions, let us check the similar type questions. Y equal to x sin x, and whether it is a solution of this differential equation x y dash equal to y plus x root over x square minus y square. So given function is y equal to x sin x. When we differentiate with respect to x, we got dy by dx equal to x cos x. We have to use the UV rule. First we keep x, and derivative of sin x is cos x. X cos x plus sin x. So y dash equal to x cos x plus sin x, equation number 1. Given y equal to x sin x, so putting the value of sin x equal to y by x, and cos x equal to root over 1 minus sin square x. So 1 minus y by x whole square, 1 minus y square by x square, it is x square minus y square by x square. It is nothing but 1 by x root over x square minus y square. So all the terms when you put in equation number 1, we'll get this equation. We'll get this equation x y dash equal to y plus x root over x square minus y square, which is given differential equation, and it is nothing but the given solution is nothing but solution of this differential equation. Student, the next question is y minus cos y equal to x, whether it is a solution of this differential equation or not. So as usual, first we have to differentiate. We will get y dash into 1 plus sin y equal to 1. So y dash equal to 1 by 1 plus sin y. So students, when you use the given differential equation, the left hand side if we take, so this is the left hand side, we have to prove this is equal to y. So using this, when you put the value of y dash equal to 1 by 1 plus sin y, and inside we are putting the value of x. So what is x? Y minus cos y. So students, you can see that y sin y plus cos y, in place of x we are putting y minus cos y into 1 by 1 plus sin y. So y cos y cancelled, so y common taken, common, so 1 plus sin y into 1 by 1 plus sin y. 1 plus sin y get cancelled, the answer is y. So we have got the differential equation, which is this equal to y, and we have got the answer. So the answer is yes, because the given solution is the differential equation, solution of the differential equation. Now student, let us check another question, y equal to root over s square minus x square, whether this is solution of this differential equation or not. So given equation is y equal to root over s square minus x square. We're going to differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx 1 by 2 root over s square minus x square into derivative of this. So the derivative of this is minus 2x, because s square is 0. So it becomes minus x by root over s square minus x square. Now again we are putting the using the left hand side. Left hand side is given that x plus y dy by dx, x plus y dy by dx. So using that x plus y dy by dx, dy by dx we have got this one, the x plus the value of y from the given question, root over s square minus x square, and dy by dx is minus x by root over s square minus x square. So these two terms get cancelled, and x minus x also cancelled, so we have got 0. So we have got the differential equation is x plus y dy by dx equal to 0. Hence the given function is a solution of this differential equation. So students, I am ending today's video lectures, where I have explained the differential equation, how to find order degrees, and how to check a particular solution, whether it is a solution of given differential equation or not. So students, I hope all of you understood. If you have any doubt, any confusion, you can contact me. Thank you very much.